Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today I want to ask you, do you truly understand your health insurance? Do you know the difference between having an HMO versus a PPO? Did you know that when you have HMO health insurance, it means that you got to stay within network? And did you also know that when you have PPO health insurance, it means that you could go out of network or within any desire, any specialist as you choose? Did you also know that when you pay less in your health insurance premium, it means that you're going to have a higher deductible? And did you know that the lower your deductible is, the more expensive your health insurance is? That's why it's important to know your copay, and it's also important for you to know the difference between your deductible. Did you know that your deductible means that you got to pay out of pocket first before the health insurance pays? So for example, if you was to get sick and you went to the hospital and your deductible say you got to pay $1,000 before they pay anything, this means that you have to pay $1,000 of a $10,000 bill before they pay the rest. So they will pay the $9,000 difference after you pay $1,000. So that's why you got to know what is your health insurance. Is it HMO? Is it a PPO? Do you know your copay and your deductible? All right. So pay attention, guys, because man, it can be very costly to get sick. If you'd like to learn more, comment below or text me. Follow the links right here. See you at the top.